Number 8 of 19 in the tour favorites from the Hot Wheels Monster Jam series here in 2018 is Higher Education. On the back of the card, it shows you the crushable car and how it pops back up. There's Higher Education on the back of the card, then Megalodon, Epic Editions, Backdraft, Tour Favorites, Virginia Giant X-Ray Body, Grave Digger the Legend Tour Favorites, Carolina Crusher and Epic Editions, Avenger Tour Favorites, and El Toro Loco Creatures. So let's go ahead and unbox Higher Education. I found Higher Education in Walmart. Here is the recrushable car. And here comes Higher Education into the arena so we can take a closer look to him, what he looks like. Here it is. Nothing real new here with Higher Education. PPG paints. District of Higher Education, the Monster Jam logo, the Hot Wheels logo. The emergency exit. I never saw this truck in person, the real monster truck. Cool bus. It'd be pretty interesting though to see this truck in person. There's a stop sign, which is nice to have on a school bus. And that's the other side, and the back also has cool bus. It has the BKT tires, which is nice, and last year's version of Higher Education had the team flag, and then, well, it had the team flag and also it had the color treads. And the other Higher Education I have going way back is with the Battle Slammer series. So many school buses here by Higher Education. For me, it's nice that they come out like this with a regular chassis like that, and with the regular wheels, the black wheels, instead of mud treads. I kind of prefer just the regular wheels, but mud treads are okay too. Color treads are okay too. Not one of my favorites. I mostly like how the trucks look on the circuit when you go see them live in person. So hopefully you enjoyed this review, and thank you for tuning in. I forgot that I wanted to see what the team flag of Higher Education looked like on this truck. There we go. Hey, that looks good too. Cool bus for sure. It looks good with the team flag and his recrushable car. Alright, thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing.